Alright, it's time for the Sports Bros podcast. NHL playoffs scores roundup for May 5th, 2025. The Toronto Maple Leafs defeat the Florida Panthers 5-4. And those are your NHL playoffs scores roundup for May 5th, 2025. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.